everyone, and welcome to the episode 8 of ISL Weekender Special. So, today, as usual, we have our four fans Rahul, FC Goa, Deep Raj, Bengaluru FC, Thomas, Kerala Blasters, and Raktim, ATK Mohan Bagan. Hello, guys, how are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Fine,
We are
Sagar.
good. How are you?
Good.
I'm good. Hope this week was a good one for your clubs.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. It was okay for us. One win
Not
and
for
one
me.
draw.
Not that great.
Similar,
Okay,
similar.
okay.
Not for me.
Thomas looks happy, so maybe Kerala
Thomas
Blasters had
is
a
the
good week.
happiest.
Yes.
Correct,
For
correct.
right now.
Yes.
Right now,
Right now, for this last
right
week,
now
we
you
are
are
the
Happiest of the
correct,
lot.
correct. Oh,
Yeah.
correct. Okay. So as usual, we'll start with a question. So before that, for who will go first, we have a question for that. We had skipped that before. So let's start. So the first question is the great Brazilian legend and also a Real Madrid legend. He was a left back, Roberto Carlos. He played for which ISL club and also
Delhi
managed one?
Dynamos.
Delhi
Delhi Dynamos.
Dynamos.
Who said it first? Was
Thomas,
it
Thomas.
Rahul?
No, Thomas.
Thomas. Okay,
Yeah.
great Thomas. So we'll start with you. So
Yeah.
Mumbai City FC have 29 points from their 12 games, and we all can agree that they will surely finish in the top four. I mean, it's not
Yeah.
mathematically correct, but at least mentally they are there, and maybe this could be their maiden trophy. So, what do you think? I mean, will they be ISL winners? What do you think?
So for right now, at this point, the considering the form they are playing, they are the strongest and deserving team for right now.
Correct. Right.
To win the title, the Lobera using the way the Lobera using his code is just brilliant. So because the previous
Correct.
game against ATK, keeping their top scorer Adam Lefondre in at bench and putting the Obeche in front, and he
Obviously.
scores the goal and the team wins.
Correct.
So the Lobera is doing great in the team, and they have scored most goals right now with the
Correct.
80k 18, and they
Right.
just consider four
They
goals.
also have considered the lowest amount of
Yes,
goals.
yes, for only four goals, and the difference
Yeah.
is 14. So
Correct.
80k is second, and their
Yeah.
goal difference is just seven, half of them.
Correct.
So the another point is they have got eight different scorers for the team, and
Correct.
eight clean sheet to
Clean
equal
sheet.
to 80k. And the best part is their Amarinder Singh, their keeper.
Keeper
He's
and captain.
just yes. There is some rumors going on. He's going to swap to 80k and all.
80k
I don't
Mohan
know.
Bagan.
I
Yeah.
don't know. They will do that blunder. I don't know, blunder mistake, because
Correct.
he has they did their his part. He has 8 clean sheet and 272 76 minutes. He not considered goals, means the average goal conceding is 276 minutes. So
Correct.
he's at the top. He's having the golden glove. So currently the form, by considering the form and the mentality of the team, they surely deserve. And in ISL, the top winners, I mean the league toppers, only win one time out of six. So this is
Correct.
ISL. Anything can happen. So
Anything can happen. It's football.
that's it. Yes.
Correct. Okay. So the second one who goes for that, we have our second question, and that is, and obviously Thomas, you won't answer it. Okay. So the thing is, the Uruguay legend who is a forward, Diego Forlan, he played for which ISL club?
Mumbai City FC.
80.
I think Deepraj was first. I mean, he was
Yes.
before round, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
I think
Oh,
so. Yes.
good one. Being a Manchester United fan, you gave the answer correctly. And so the same question for you, the Mumbai City FC.
I mean, Mumbai City FC has been phenomenal since the start of the league. I mean, when others were barely walking, Mumbai City already started sprinting. I mean, they were quicker off the blocks. Mumbai City FC were lucky in the way they got Lobera in the first place. I mean, nobody thought that Lobera would be shown the door at FC
He
Goa.
would be, yeah.
I mean, the service that he provided to them and the way he uplifted the team and literally made them title contenders in the first season itself. But
Also
Mumbai City
players who
FC,
followed him.
sorry.
Also the players who followed him. Also
Yes,
the players
exactly.
who
I mean,
followed him.
yeah. Mumbai City FC backed him in the transfer market as well. He bought in some ex-players like Jahu, Fall, Mandara Desai, and Hugo Bomas.
Hugo.
And the two strikers that he bought with him, the new striker as Obache and Lefondre. I mean, they all have proven in the
Lefondre.
current form. They all have outperformed most of the players in the ISL, and they surely deserve to be in the first place right now. Apart from goal
Correct.
scoring, I mean, they have excellent defense as well. They were neck to neck at one point of the time with ATK with the least goal conceded. But that game against ATK Mohun Bagan itself, the way they hammered them, I think they showed the clear difference between the first place and the second place. So on the basis of form, ideally Mumbai City FC will win their maiden ISL title. But since it's not a pure league format, I mean, anybody from top four
Right.
can win it. It's just
Top
who's
4 can
better
win. Correct.
at that day. So I hope,
At that
if not Bengaluru FC, then Mumbai City FC wins this on the basis of form and the kind of football they have played throughout the season. But it's
Correct.
football, anything can happen. So not sure who will win at that
Right.
day.
Okay. Okay. So the last question for Rahul, between Rahul and Raktim, for who goes third, and that is just a minute. Yeah. Arsenal and French legend Robert Pius played for which ISL club?
FC Goa. FC Goa.
Okay, Rahul. You need not answer it twice.
No, I'm just
Anyway,
excited.
yeah, surely. Okay, so your thoughts on Mumbai City FC?
So we have seen like the Sergio Lobera appointment was the biggest shocker in ISL. So like it was a difficult job to get the squad in the combination. Like if you
Right.
see, even if you sign more good players, but you need that combination to fit in right from the start. Like Deepraj said that many clubs were making the combination, but Mumbai City FC start from the right game. They were with a proper combination of playing 11, and they played pretty good football. Plus, like if you see that at the moment, sorry, not FC Goa, Mumbai City FC has been
It's okay, happens.
yeah, yeah.
Mumbai City.
Like Mumbai City FC have been phenomenal, and they are invincible at this time. And plus, they have a very strong squad, plus a very seasoned squad. Like they have pretty good backups at each position. Like if you see their squad, and they have the match winners that you need to win the ISL title, like Yahoo, Hugo Bumas, Murtada Foran, and also Mandarao Desai. Plus the Indian players that have leveled up their game under Lobera have been pretty much good. Like if you see Raulin Borges, Bipin Singh, Amira Navde, they are playing
Right.
pretty good at
Pretty
Mumbai
good,
City FC.
yeah.
But in ISL, you also know that like Kerala Blasters fan of Thomas said that only one team has won who has finished first in the table. So in the knockout stages, you cannot say. But I think in ISL history, we have seen that ATK has been the most consistent performance in the playoffs. They
Correct.
have a better record in playoffs than the league stages. So I back ATK to win the ISL title, but also wish that Mumbai City goes to the final. Yeah,
Okay.
that's my point.
Raktim, Rahul is on your side.
Yeah, I was just about to say thank you, Rahul. I like that.
Okay, Raktim, your thoughts.
See, it's too early to comment whether Mumbai City FC will win the title or not, because yes, they are with 29 points after 12 matches and they are on top of the table. But still they have to do the work in the do the work in the semi-finals and the finals. It's obvious that they will finish in the top four, but on the semi-finals and the finals, when the team reaches, they still have to do the job done in the field. No matter how much goals they score, how much points they earn in the league table in the league season, they still have to do it and that's where the team character and the team morale will come into play. And if they perform well in those matches, then they will win. Or else, if you ask me, I think if you ask me, ATK should win. I'll always tell ATK will win, but depending on the current form, Mumbai City FC is the favorite, and they should. And if they can keep up the form, they will win. Yes.
Okay. And to everyone of you, just for a discussion, what do you think? Is City Group making a good thing in football? I mean, they have many clubs associated with them in many countries, which are named with City. So, what can you say about the group?
I mean,
The
it's a good
biggest
initiative.
example could be
Yeah.
Manchester City.
Yeah, I mean, it's a
I mean,
good initiative.
yeah.
I guess they have tie-ups with around 7 to 8 clubs in different countries or so.
Correct.
It helps a lot in the development of the football in this particular country as well, knowing
Right.
there is a corporate backing you out there in terms of investment and
Right.
the grassroots development as well. And the fact that City Football Group has entered in India, or basically the ISL, it shows the willingness of worldwide, the popularity or the reach that ISL has reached in terms of attracting foreign
Agree.
investment. So it's a good
Right.
sign. It's a good sign for developing football and for Indian football as well. So I mean, it's good. And
Right.
because of this, there are lots of initiatives or tie-ups that have been going on. The latest one being Sevilla FC tying up with
Yeah.
Bengaluru United.
Correct. Right.
So it's just one
Yeah.
of the example. Earlier, FC Goa and Leipzig also had a similar kind of a tie-up at the start of the season. So
Hyderabad
it's a good
FC
sign.
and Borussia Dortmund have it too.
Yeah.
Dortmund too, yeah.
So it's a good sign. People entering Indian market, especially because of the ISL growing, it's a good sign for Indian football.
Yeah, perfect.
They know Indian football is going to boom in the near future.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
like
The
I
kind
got
of the population we have, it's high time we should step in the right direction and at least be in the top 10 of Asia as soon as possible.
Right.
And in ISL Instagram page, there is a kind of virtual attendance thing. Last game against FC Goa and Kerala Blasters, it was 70,000.
70,000 virtual
1,000
attendees.
attendance. I mean, the
Wow.
like for that particular post was 70,000, more than 70,000.
Nice.
Yeah, plus the
Rahul, were you
attendance.
going to say something? I think.
Yeah, like the Indian coach Igor Stimac has said that seeing the form of Indian players, like 2 years before
Particular.
and now the progress the Indian
He's
players have
going to
shown that
make a lot of
it might
changes.
be, yeah,
Yes.
it will be difficult to choose players. Like they have,
Correct.
And he
there are many talents coming through.
Right.
and he particularly mentioned about the Hyderabad FC because they are only allowing 3 foreign players in the squad and play.
Yeah.
And
Oh
he,
wow, that's great.
Alicharan
I'm sure
Nasri
Liston
and
Kolako is
Kolako.
going to be there in the starting 11.
yes,
And
yes, yes.
if the rumors are true, if Amrinder Singh comes in ATK, it will be a hard time for Antonio Habas to decide. It will be very hard for Antonio.
Who is going to be the number one? Correct.
Yes.
Because Arindam Bhattacharya is doing a really good job.
Yes.
Give us Arindam.
But so, if you ask me, I want him in the team. That will make us team more stronger going into the next season. If you ask me, I keep all the blunders aside. It's a huge blunder. People might tell, but if he comes, I don't see there is any mistake or fault because he will bring in lot of experience and bring lot to the table.
Raktim, sorry to break you, but let me ask you the question also, and you can continue further. So the question
yes.
for you was: rumors are spreading that the club is going to sign Amrinder Singh, like we just discussed now, from Mumbai City FC, and that too for a hefty sum of 10 crores. So is it really a need of spending so much? So you can carry forward.
See, as I told you, Amrinder Singh is a really a good goalkeeper, and he is doing quite not very well for Mumbai City FC. So if he comes to ATK, if the rumors are true, if he comes to ATK, then it will bring a lot to the table. The Anthony Habas will have lot to decide whom to play, whether it's Arindam or whether it's Amrinder. But if you see one thing, next season it might happen that Arindam Bhattacharya is not in a good form. It might happen, or it might happen that he has faced an injuries. He's not in his good shape, and he's not doing well for us as he is doing in this season. In that scenario, Amrinder Singh can step in and do the work for the team. And also his addition. Also, I understand it's a huge deal. It's 10 crore
10.
in for 5 years. It's a huge deal. But if ATK can manage and Mumbai does that mistake of leaving him, then it will bring a lot to the table for us. And yes, his experience he has also a lot of experience. His experience will also matter, and it will be good for the team if ATK can manage him in the team. And if Mumbai City FC, I'll tell Mumbai City, if Mumbai City FC does that blunder, that mistake, then it's a loss for them and gain for us.
Gain for
That-
you. Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Agree. Totally agree. Okay, so coming to you, Rahul. Thoughts on
Yes.
Ishan Pandita? He has trained in Spain and come to ISL, and he has scored 2 goals in 4 matches. Do you think he could be the next big thing in Indian football?
Like Keshan Pandita is a great youngster. Like in his youth, he has played for Almeria and CD Leganes in Spain Tire. So he has a pretty good experience in the starting days of football. But if you see, like he has scored 2 goals in 4 matches, and also like he has come on as a super sub for us. Like
As
his
a
position,
substitute, correct.
yeah, as a substitute almost after 75th minute, and also his positioning in the box has been great. Like the both goals have been come through uh, free kicks, free kicks too. And if
Set
you see
pieces.
that, yeah, set pieces. And also like we can't judge that he might get chance. Like Juan Fernando said that not everyone might get minutes, so it might be too soon to give him the start. Like he can start the matches for us in the last 2 or 3 games if we
Start.
are confirmed in the top 4. Then we might see the potential of him, like he is ready to start for or not. But currently, if you say he is a great player, but hopefully in 2 3 years he will develop more under
More.
Juan Fernando if he continues and gain more experience in FC Goa and play for hopefully somehow he plays for Indian team. He's a great prospect. He has
Correct.
all the abilities. Yeah.
And one more thing, Saurabh, Dheeraj
Yeah,
is
Rakesh.
also also there are rumors that Dheeraj will join FC Goa.
He is.
He's
He is
signed.
our
Yeah.
player.
Oh
He is
yeah,
going to. Or you said
yeah.
he
He
is.
was
I mean,
gonna play
rumors are
last game.
And then though we need a backup goalkeeper, right?
correct. Right.
Thanks,
Right.
Etiquette,
Agree.
to give Dheeraj to us. He's a great player.
Okay. Okay. So moving forward, Deepraj, Bengaluru FC opened the scoring against Kerala Blasters FC, and then conceded 2 goals after 70 minutes, and one was in the 90th minute. So what went wrong exactly?
I think our start was pretty decent. I mean, in the first half, we created some good half chances and were not too great, but okay defensively. But
Okay.
I mean, the first goal we conceded in the second half, it was kind of a bizarre but unlucky goal. I mean, Gurpreet made a wonderful save by bringing his body on the line. But those 30, 60 odd seconds that he was dazed off because of the shot that he took from such a close range, I mean, the referee allowed it, and Kerala Blasters were right to go on with it, and they scored a goal
Scored.
pretty much in the empty net with no goalkeeper. But the second goal that Kerala scored, it was great attacking, counter-attacking football. I mean, the fast-paced transition from defense to attack.
Attack.
I mean, it was phenomenal, and they deserve that goal. That too on the last minute of extra time. But ideally, Bengaluru FC had the right thought. They they weren't playing for the draw. They were still trying to attack and score the winning goal in the 90 odd minutes. I mean, the whole team was up, barring just one player. So there are some positive signs, and I hope that finally we come to win again. But hopefully we will show this character till the end of the league phase
Right.
and may finish in the top four. So I mean, there were positive signs, but I hope going forward we are a bit more lucky in those 50-50 games.
Correct. Sometimes luck should favor in football.
Yeah, I mean, it's football. When it's not going your way, it won't go your way, especially in those 50-50 games.
Right. Okay. Thomas looks happy. So let's go to Thomas now. Okay. So Thomas, Kerala Blasters, last three matches, 7 points accumulated in them. So do you think is a comeback on the cards for a top four finish?
So in fact, for 7 points out of three, 8 points out of four. So 2 draws and 2 wins for us.
Okay.
Right. So total we have played all 13 games and 14 points, 7 more to go. So we are still in the race, and doing the means calculating the first means coming to the second part of the tournament. The team, the mentality, everything has got changed.
Everything
So
has changed. Correct.
the thing is, coming to the stats, first 8 match they only scored 8 goals. So coming to that second half, the next 5 we have scored 9 goals. So the team entirely changed. The
Major
means,
difference.
yes, the Kibu has find the right combination and the right combination and right tactics to score goals. The last game against FC Goa, the Fakunda coming in, the cross set pieces, we have scored almost 50% of goals from the set pieces.
Yes.
And the team, the mentality changed. The team, that the anger put in the team, and they started fighting.
Right.
So team, we are in the race. So 7 games we are in the 7th position. So I think the team could, means they have the chance to, means if they continue this kind of form, they will make into the top 4.
Correct. The late bloomers, we can say.
Yes. The injuries are the problem right now. Injuries are the problem for Kerala Blasters. So apart from that, the Kibu is putting the best formation, best team to the squad, and the team is developing more. So we think we can make into the top 4.
Correct. Okay. So time for prediction, I think.
Yes.
Thomas should go first.
Come on, guys. Say
Which
something.
match of the week? Ready for any? Last week, in fact, I won. I mean, I go for draw for FC Go and ATK, and it was
You're
a
hoping
draw.
for every match, Thomas.
And you
You're
were
hoping for
perfect.
every match.
Every other match he wants a draw.
And the top teams are winning also, so it is a good sign for us. ATK and AT Mumbai City
You
are
had
winning.
prayed for that last time, right?
Yes.
Yes,
That's
yes.
Correct.
Bengaluru lost, FC Goa drawed.
yes.
Correct. Okay, so we have today we have Bengaluru FC versus Odisha FC, and Odisha FC is last in the table, and
Yes.
Bengaluru FC desperately needs a win. So, your thoughts on that?
I'll go with a draw 1-1.
1-1. Okay. So Sunil Chetri or Clinton Silva scoring it?
Sunil Chetri.
Okay. Thomas, what about you?
Maybe Bangalore head, because Odisha is not. I mean,
Up to
not
the
in the
mark.
form.
Correct.
Maybe I will go with Bangalore.
And your score prediction?
A score maybe 1-0. 1-0.
Only one.
1-0.
Okay.
Maybe Chetri will score that penalty.
Penalty. Okay. Rahul, what about you?
So both teams' current form are almost the same, but I will say Bengaluru will have a upper hand. So 2-0 to Bengaluru FC.
Okay. Something positive from Rahul for Deepraj. And Deepraj, coming to you finally. Bengaluru FC fan. What do you think?
I think we will neck it. It would be 2-1. On the basis of current form, I guess we will concede another. But hopefully, this will kickstart our second half of the season.
Maybe you could score more than Odisha.
Yeah, I mean, we will win, but it would be a close
Okay.
game.
Come on, yaar. Be confident on your club.
Yeah, I'm confident we will win.
Okay. So anyone wants to share anything regarding
Yeah,
ISL?
like I would want to say about Rahul KP of Kerala Blasters. So last week there was a comment from Indian legend Vijayan, like he taunted Rahul KP that you should not do only hairstyles and concentrate on your game. See Jerry of Odisha FC, he is playing great football, but Rahul KP has said that he won't comment, and he probably showed in the last two games that he has performed well, scored 2 goals. So that's the better way to answer the criticism that you face. So
Right.
huge appreciation to Rahul, and he's playing
Absolutely,
great.
that
And I hope,
20
really
years
good.
old, 20 years old kid doing
yeah,
that
his
jump.
mentality is great.
Yes,
Correct.
There is another match, right? Jamshedpur versus Hyderabad.
yes. There is 2 match today. Super Sunday.
Super Sunday.
Yeah. Double header. Okay. So
So
you're talking about the score prediction.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
He
Yeah,
wants
sure.
Thomas to
But
finally get it wrong.
okay. So Raktim, you only tell me first.
Same. It will be draw.
It will be a
Hyderabad.
draw.
Yes.
And
Either.
Valskis and Aridan scoring one each.
Yes.
I mean, they only are scoring for the team, so maybe. Thomas, what about you?
I also need a draw because we have to make it to top 4. We need draw.
You need a draw. Okay.
Saurabh, you don't need to
Okay. Doing a lot of
question
maths
is
there. Yeah, correct. Right. What about you, Deepraj?
I hope it's a 0-0 draw. I'm going pretty specific. I guess both teams will cancel out each other, and it could be a draw.
Okay.
Probably neither of the strikers scoring a goal.
Scoring. Okay. Rahul?
I guess Jamshedpur will lose in the ending minutes because that is the history from last 2-3 games. So I guess 2-1 win for Hyderabad.
Okay. A Fergie time winner for Hyderabad.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. CEO will end our session. Thank you everyone for joining, and we'll surely meet next weekend. All
Thank
the
you.
best to your teams for the
Yes,
upcoming
thank you.
matches.
Thank you.
Thank
Yes, thank you so much.
Let's football.
Let's
Let's
go.
Let's
football.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.